Get ready, ElectroDrive news is going live. We've got a bombshell report on Elon Musk's security, with Tesla Board Chair Robyn Denholm sharing crucial details on protecting the CEO after recent events. Stay tuned. And if that wasn't enough, we're diving deep into the financial markets. Tesla's stock is on a tear, and we've got the expert analysis on why it might be time to take a bullish stance. You won't want to miss this market breakdown. Next up, we're talking infrastructure. Tesla is revolutionizing its Supercharger network with a new pre-assembled design that's faster and cheaper. We'll break down how this innovation is set to change EV charging forever. Finally, we're shining a spotlight on Tesla's powerhouse energy division. With the EV market facing headwinds, their storage solutions are booming. We've got all the details on what this means for Tesla's future and your investments. Don't miss a second. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out. Elon Musk's security under scrutiny, a boardroom perspective. Following the recent assassination of conservative commentator Charlie Kirk, concerns have surged regarding the safety of high-profile figures, including Tesla CEO Elon Musk. In a candid discussion with Bloomberg, Tesla Board Chair Robyn Denholm addressed the company's long-standing commitment to enhancing Musk's security detail. Denholm emphasized that the board takes these matters with the utmost seriousness, acknowledging Musk's position as one of the wealthiest individuals globally with significant influence. Denholm revealed that the company has been actively focused on Musk's security for many years. This proactive approach comes after Tesla disclosed spending $3.3 million on Musk's security in the first 2 months of 2025 alone, a figure that, while substantial, is notably lower than the over $27 million Meta spent on Mark Zuckerberg's security last year. Musk himself has acknowledged the necessity of increased security following Kirk's death, a sentiment echoed by many investors and fans concerned about potential political violence. The heightened focus on security is amplified by Musk's past involvement in political spheres and his current influential role. Despite his reduced political activity, he remains a target for various groups and individuals who oppose him and Tesla. The events of the past week have underscored the critical need for robust security measures, making it an essential, albeit significant, expense for the company. Investor sentiment appears to be leaning towards prioritizing Musk's safety. Many are calling for increased budgets for his security, recognizing his indispensable role in Tesla's ambitious future, including its lofty goals for market capitalization and product development. But what does this mean for Tesla's soaring stock? We're about to find out. Next, we're breaking down the surprising reasons why Tesla's stock is suddenly attracting bullish attention. Tesla stock rockets, a bullish trading strategy revealed. Tesla's stock is making major moves, surging 6% on Thursday and flashing a strong buy signal with a technical breakout. This impressive performance has led to its inclusion in the IBD swing trader, with a price entry of 358.38. The electric vehicle giant is showing clear signs of accumulation, trading comfortably above its 21-day exponential moving average, as well as the crucial 50-day and 200-day moving averages. For investors looking to capitalize on this bullish momentum with reduced risk, a bull call spread strategy is being highlighted. This involves buying a call option and selling a further out-of-the-money call, which lowers the trade's cost while capping the potential upside. A specific example illustrates buying the December 19 expiration call option with a 370 strike price and selling the 380 strike call, creating a spread with a maximum profit potential of $580. Even as Tesla stock pushed beyond the 370 strike, the strategy adapts. By adjusting the strike prices upwards, traders can maintain a similar risk-reward profile. The bull call spread offers a defined risk, meaning the maximum loss is known upfront, in this case, the premium paid. The break-even point is calculated by adding the long call strike to the premium paid. Crucially, the advice includes trade management tips, suggesting an early exit for a loss if the stock drops below key support levels or the spread value halves, preserving capital for future opportunities. This strategic approach to trading Tesla stock comes amidst significant company developments, including the introduction of the new Megablock energy storage system, the production of proprietary transformers, and continued progress on the Optimus humanoid robot. Coupled with anticipated third-quarter delivery increases, these factors are fueling investor confidence despite the approaching expiration of the U.S. EV tax credit. But how is Tesla building its charging empire so efficiently? Get ready for an inside look at the future of supercharging technology. Tesla's Supercharger network goes prefab, faster, cheaper charging ahead. Tesla is accelerating the expansion of its global supercharger network by dramatically increasing the use of pre-assembled supercharger units, or PSUs. According to Max de Zegher, Tesla's Director of Charging North America, the majority of future supercharger installations will utilize this innovative method, which has already become the standard in Europe, with half of all new sites this summer being PSUs. This pre-assembly approach offers significant advantages over traditional construction. PSUs are not only substantially more cost-effective, potentially reducing build costs by over 15%, but they also streamline the installation process. These units can be deployed in a matter of days, ensuring higher quality control as key checks are performed at the factory, eliminating the need for Tesla service technicians on-site for commissioning. This makes the supercharger system a refined Tesla product rather than just a deployment technique. While not every location may be suitable for PSUs, they are rapidly becoming the preferred solution. The excitement is building for the upcoming launch of the true Tesla V4 supercharging systems, which will feature V4 dispensers and a power electronics cabinet capable of up to 1.2 MW, shared among 8 dispensers. With individual dispenser output reaching 500 kW, these advanced V4 stations are also slated for pre-assembled deployment, as evidenced by recent permit filings showcasing an 8-dispenser V4 station in a pre-assembled format. This move towards prefabricated charging infrastructure aligns with industry trends, as other manufacturers like EVgo have also been deploying similar units. Tesla's commitment to innovation in charging technology promises to make EV charging more accessible, affordable, and efficient for drivers worldwide. And speaking of innovation, Tesla's energy business is absolutely exploding. Stick around as we reveal why it's becoming a massive revenue driver. Tesla's energy storage soars as EV sales face headwinds. Tesla's stock is experiencing a significant rally, climbing nearly 6% on Friday and reaching its highest level since February. This surge is largely attributed to recent breakthroughs in the company's energy business, which is demonstrating remarkable growth even as its electric vehicle sales face challenges. Energy generation and storage revenue saw an impressive 18% year-over-year jump to $5.5 billion in the first half of 2025, while automotive revenue experienced an 18% decline during the same period. At a recent event in Las Vegas, Tesla unveiled its next-generation Megapack 3 energy storage system, alongside the innovative new Megablock. The Megablock is a revolutionary pre-engineered system that integrates multiple megapacks with essential electrical power system components. Tesla claims this integrated solution will significantly reduce costs and installation times for large-scale energy projects. Furthermore, Mike Snyder, Tesla's VP of Energy and Charging, announced plans to manufacture the Megapack 3 at their Houston facility starting late next year. This robust performance in the energy sector is drawing considerable investor attention, especially as the company's primary focus has often been on its robotaxi ambitions. The energy business is increasingly becoming a substantial contributor to Tesla's overall revenue stream, providing a vital counterbalance to the fluctuations in the automotive market. The recent success, highlighted by a live stream of the Las Vegas presentation on Tesla's X account, has propelled Tesla shares up 15% over the past month, with much of that gain occurring this week. That's a wrap on today's top stories. Don't go anywhere, we've got a lightning round recap coming up next. And that's a wrap on today's ElectroDrive news. We covered Elon Musk's enhanced security measures, the bullish outlook on Tesla stock, the revolutionary pre-assembled supercharger network, and the booming energy storage division. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to ElectroDrive News for more cutting-edge updates, hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to follow us on all social platforms for real-time news.